Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sandeep, Associate Professor from Mechanical Engineering Department, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, and today we are going to discuss about injection molding. We are discussing about plastic molding. In this we have injection molding machine. So in this, the main thing is in order to create the die is very important for us. So this is the die what we are using here. Okay, so in this die we are using this polypropylene material. It's a plastic material. So this we will insert. We have to place this plastic into this, and in this a heater is connected. Okay, so whatever the plastic solid material is there, it will convert into liquid state. So how we are getting means this heater has to heat with the help of heater temperature. Here we have to adjust the temperature about 90 degrees centigrade in order to get initial heating of the material. Now you have to place the die exactly. This is the die what you are having, and this is having an opening. This is called inlet, through which the metal is being inserted, and here you have another hole. After filling, this will show the excess material so that you can stop the process. Now you have to place this die exactly. This hole has to match to this point. The inlet from the where the plastic material is converted to liquid state. Exactly, you have to match, and then you have to lock. So now you can see that this die hole is exactly matching with that metal inlet. Now you can start pressing the polypropylene material which we have inserted initially, and that material is heated slowly and it is being converted to liquid and it is flowing into the die. Slowly you can remove the dies, and you can see that plastic balls has been converted to the mold to the required shape. On both sides we have a logo. So this is the final product what you will get.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.